Welcome guys to this video, and in today's video we are beginning a new series of Rust series, and this series is for beginners and for experienced programmers who are new to Rust. This is also for you if you have an interest in Rust. But in this series, like I said, we're starting from the ground up. So we are beginning from scratch, and we are beginning with installation of Rust on Linux or Unix systems, and that includes Mac OS. So sit tight and let's dive in, and we will have subsequent video where we're installing Rust on Windows. So for Windows users, please wait for the next video. We just move to the next video and see how to install Rust on your machine. So we come over to Google and we want to install Rust on Linux. So head over to the Rust homepage or the Rust official page, and it's easy. The instructions are here. Like, it looks like you're running macOS. It has detected my operating system, and if you're doing that, just run this command in your terminal. So just copy it, open your terminal, it opens up there, paste it, and wait for the download to finish. Proceed with custom installation. Default, just press enter. Customize, I wouldn't advocate for customized installation, so we'll just press enter. And then see. So we are installing Cargo. We'll see that Cargo is like the package manager for Rust. But most of that will be happening in advanced Rust videos where we are building some small applications and APIs, things like that. Okay, so it is done, and they're telling us this is usually done by running one of the following commands. Okay, let's start from here. So Rust is now installed. That's great. To get started, you may need to restart your current shell. Okay, we can do that. This would reload your path environment variable to include Cargo's bin directory. So do that by restarting your shell. To configure your current shell, you need to source the corresponding environment file under home.cargo. This is usually done by running one of the following command, not the leading dot. Okay. There's this one. So what we want to do is, we don't want to restart our shell, but if you want, you can do that. But we can just run what they have told us by running source form copy that home, getting this dollar sign there, .e and v. So I want to do that, and voila, we now have Rust. So how do we know that we have Rust? I want to check for the version that I have, Rust -- version, and thing is not right. Oh, there's something else we need to do. Sorry. We need, after source, we need to export that path. So we need to write export path equaling to open quotes $home /.cargo /bin $, path, and put into the quotations. When you press enter, okay, I'm just run that. Not the right command anyway. Yeah, it's the wrong command. It's rust C. My bad. Okay, we have rust 1.78. So this is supposed to be the correct command, and our rust is now ready. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video where we are starting our rust series in detail. Bye bye. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.